All right, GBMC, this is my appreciation raffle or just a giveaway for the guys that got in my Woodson and Clay Speed Authentic. So we took Nick's spot out because he was the winner. So we'll do the other 19 spots here. Whoever's on top after the final roll is going to be our winner. So September 21st at 1:17 p.m. We're going to go over and type live. And we've got September 21st now at 1:18 p.m. You can see this just rolled over to 1:18 p.m. We need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Eric, spot 12. Eric, you win the free Aaron Rodgers bobblehead. So, Eric, get with me to get me your shipping info, and I'll get that out for you. Again, guys, appreciated you getting in there and playing in the raffles with me. So there is our verification code and our timestamp. Once again, September 21st, 1:18 p.m. Thanks, guys.